Hello everyone, in this video we will be making a wish me function in Python. In our previous video we completed making the speak function using the pyttf3 module. So let's get started with making the wish me function. So first we will import datetime module, which can be easily installed in the terminal by writing pip install datetime. So it will be installed for you. Make sure you're connected with internet while installing it. So now make a def function, def wish underscore me with constructors, and now we will write r equals to, this should be an integer, so first we will write integer in parenthesis datetime dot now, so this should also include parenthesis, and after that we will write dot r. This is the current r. So now we will write if r greater than or equal to 12 and r less than 12, then it would say speak good morning. So, and elif is basically used for giving multiple ifs and elif statements. We will be using this in further codings. So now we will write elif r greater than 12 and r less than 16. So it would say speak good afternoon. So else it would speak good evening. So now let's try to run this function. So we will call this function by writing wish underscore me, which is the name of it, with parenthesis. So it will call the function. So let's try to run this.
Initializing Jarvis. Good afternoon, sir.
So you heard it right, it was here it is 2:20, so it was good afternoon for me. So this is how we make this wish me function. Thank you for watching this video.